Let us solve numerical based on rate law. Now the question is, for a reaction 2A plus B forming products, okay, we have to find the rate law. Okay, question is this. Now when the question is find out the rate law, it means they are trying to ask that if you write rate is equal to K a raised to x b raised to y. So they are actually asking what is the value of x and y. Okay, so in order to find out the value of x and y, we begin our numerical as follows. Let us say this is 1, this is 2 and this is third experimental condition. So what we do first is, let us say this is R1, R2 and R3. Okay, so R1 is this, fine. R2 would be also same. Okay, so what we are directly doing, we are dividing R2 by R1. So now R2 is K. Now what is the value of A for R2? This is R2, so value of R2 is 0.6 raised to x. Then value of B for R2 is 0.05, okay, raised to y. Divide by, now R1 we have to write. R1 is K. A value for R1 is 0.3. So I write here 0.3 raised to x, 0.05 raised to y. So when you solve this expression, you will come to know that 0.3 is getting cancelled, 0.6, so 2 will come. This both will get cancelled and ultimately k also will get cancelled and you will get 2 raised to x. So you will get R2 upon R1 is equal to 2, okay, raised to x. Now what is the value of R2? R2 is 0.30 and R1 is 0.15 is equal to 2 raised to x. So when we solve this, okay, 15 1 it is and then we get 15 2. So 2 is equal to 2 raised to x. Now what does this mean? This means that the value of x is 1. So therefore I write x is equal to 1. Now we have to find out what is the value of y. So let us solve what is the value of y. So in order to solve the value of y, we will write R2 upon R3. Okay, R2 upon R3. Now the value of R2 is 0.30 and value of R3 is 1.20. Okay, is equal to K. Now for R2, the value of A, from the table you will get this 0.6 raised to x, 0.05 raised to y. Okay, then upon K. Now for R3, the value is 0.6 raised to x and 0.2 raised to y. Now when you solve this, you will be getting here 0.30 upon 1.20 is equal to, so these two terms will get cancelled. K also would get cancelled. Okay, so we have to solve this and let us see what are we getting. 0.05 upon 0.2 raised to y.